guys! Hello! Welcome back to my channel. This is May Stella. Ang vlog ko po today is about autumn. Nakikita nyo naman, di ba? Sobrang autumn talaga. Ang ganda. One of my favorite season all the year. Look! Ganda! Iikot pa kami doon ni ate. Kita namin sa inyo kung gaano kaganda. Okay, see you! See you there! Ako si ate, nag-cappuccino muna kami kasi naiihi siya. Guys, dito po kami sa Parco Lamblo.
Hilain mo isang sanga yan. Yan. Dito oh. Ang ganda ng galaw. Yan. Yan, yan, yan.
Iba-ibang klase po ang klaseng halaman. Nakaka-amaze kasi nga dumidilaw siya talaga every autumn hanggat mag-winter, hanggat maubos ang mga dahon. Ibang klase po ito. Ito ay ibang klase po siya na ano din. Iwan ko anong mga pangalan ng mga kahoy na ito.
Model ng kahoy. Medyo yung damit niya at saka yung ano kakulay din. Yan. Yun. Tapos ay yung pakita ko.
Hi guys, you know what? It's almost my birthday.
Oh yeah. Advance happy birthday. Ito naman yung ano niya. Oh yan. So beautiful color. Beautiful. So beautiful color. Shape.
Yes. So I will show you something. This one. Taran! Ah! There's a mushroom. Ate, look. I don't know if we can eat this kind of mushroom. It's a wild mushroom. Wow. Yan po. Okay, marami pa po kami ipapakita sa inyo. Hindi pa po namin na kalahati. Kakarating lang namin. Na-stuck na kami dito. Oh, tingnan mo si ate. Ayun. Ang ganda, hindi nakakasama.
Yan, sandali lang. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yan. Nakamay step dito. Sandali lang. Ready? 2, 3. Okay. Wait. Isa pa. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah!
Hi guys! Ang ganda dito, promise. At kulay pa namin ni ate, oh. Marami pa doon sa ano. Hi guys! Hello! Ayan ka. amazed. Wow, look. Wow. Wow. Actually, guys, for me, autumn is the best season of the year, and it's very cold. It's colder than winter, just for me. You see Ate? She's enjoying taking picture and videos. Something, I don't know that there is some, what is this? I don't know that this one, there's a fruit. I don't know if we can eat that one. You see, it looks like, what is it? Looks like, what is it? Rambutan. If in the Philippines, you see? Wow. But it's not rambutan. I don't know if you can eat this kind of fruits. You see? Yeah, maybe it's not. Wow. Wow, I'm so amazed. God's wonderful creation. And then now guys, we will go there. We will show you that one. As you can see. Wow. 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 Look this one guys. It looks like ipil-ipil in Ilonggo. But it's also the color, look, it's colored orange. Wow. Thank you Lord for this wonderful view. Wow. Ate, we will go there. Hi guys, as you can see there's a lot of people running here because it's very nice here. It's very fresh air. You see? Ay gagawin namin, makakuha lang kami ng magandang picture at saka video. Tada! Look! Oh! Wow! Run, run, run! She said we need to be very fast, maybe because all the leaves is gone. It will be finished. Wow!
Video na lang ako ngayon. Abangan nyo ito, ilalabas ito sa sa National TV. Yan. Okay. Yan. Yan. Yun. Yun.
that's all for today. Hi guys, that's all for today. Uuwi na kami ni ate. Kasi dami na kami. Siguro na nakuha. Say bye ate. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye. Pakita mo ka ate.
Ha?
Thank you ate sa pagsama sa amin dito. Nag-enjoy ka te?
Enjoy.
Ang ganda no?